welcome to a closer look at four-color process. Today we're going to be printing a 60 LPI design using process yellow, process magenta, process cyan, process black. It is called CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, but the most common printing method is going to be lightest to darkest. A couple of problems people want to be aware of is being consistent with your stroke, your speed, angle, and pressure. If you put down more magenta, your image is going to go more the red shade. If you put down more cyan, if you're going blue, more black, and different colors darker. We want to try to be consistent in our stroke. Today, our screens were made with high-res CBX 100 high-res pink emulsion, and we're using Advantage four-color process inks. We're going to be flooding in the up position. Nice quick flood. We can come down. You can do a push or a pull stroke. We're just doing a push stroke today. I'm out here, and what will be consistent is at our angle and our pressure. I'm going to be doing about a 2-second stroke. Out here, enough pressure to just be able to hear a whistle on the mesh as we go across. We'll do a double stroke. 1,000, 2,000. Not in any hurry. Want to be consistent. Yellow, even on a white shirt in four-color process, yellow acts sort of like your underbase. It's going to control how bright your top colors can be on a lot of images. So if your image looks a little dull, you want to be a little bit brighter. Go a little slower stroke, a little more pressure. On the yellow, put a little more yellow down. Now we're going to do the magenta. Same thing, we'll lift up to behind it. Medium pressure, push your whistle, and about 2-second stroke. 1,000, 2,000. Come back, double stroke. Trying to put down the same amount of colors for each of the colors. And also make consistent so that my prints look the same. A lot of people, especially when they first start trying to print four-color process, they find out that their prints vary throughout the day. And same thing, medium pressure, hear a whistle, about 2-second stroke. And now we're going to go black. All these are the same mesh count, 230. And if you notice I'm doing a little tap in the back before I bring the squeegee back up to the front, I want to try to avoid having any trails of ink come through, because on some designs, especially photorealistic, it can actually give you lines in your print. So now we can see what our final print, all the gradation in the colors, it goes from dark to lighter. Here are the different colors we're blending. Get out of the shadow. Now we're going to do the same design on that was the next level white. This right here is the next level tan. We're going to do the exact same design just to see what it is going to look like. Run through. Show you why with four-color process, as you put on different color shirts, you have to have artwork done a little differently, because your image is going to come out a different look. These colors are transparent, so we're still able to see the shirt through. And 2-second stroke. A little string of ink, I didn't want that. And last but not least, going to be our black. And same design, just a little different. The sunglasses are not white. The highlights in the headphones and his ears are not white. They're going to be taupe, same thing with his the beard, whiskers, the text on here. But still, good looking image. If you enjoyed, please give us a like and share. And as always, thanks for watching.